Hello and welcome to the Power BI basic training. And I'm in this video series. I'm covering the Power BI helpful resources, and going through that. In this video I'll be going through a special section where which tells you that Power BI is evolving and listening to the work developers and the need for the working as well for that. So this is submit an idea. This means that you are using Power BI and you are having some issues and some functionality things that you need to be developed. And in this way, you're just looking at it in a way that you want the Power BI developers to include that particular idea uh, in the next release, so you can submit an idea. So this opens up with the a page where Power BI ideas, and it if you see here, there are top ideas which are voted, as well as there are some status which Power BI developers has considered to review. And if you see here, the topmost is add expand collapse feature to column headers. And if you click on this one, you read more, you will have an idea about saying that uh, you know it is because there is some previous updates which were in November, and we need to have expanded and collapsing features for column headers. And there are more and more comments based on that, and people are justifying the fact that it can be done in that. So this is also option to use either light or dark interface. So, and this is see there's a comment from the administrator as well, that the request is on the roadmap, but we don't have timelines to share yet. So the in the status is updated based on all the uh, votes. And there might be a case where the idea is very popular, but it's under the roadmap of the the Power BI team. So this is things that can be done as well. So if it says that by security to show and hide any, the response from the administrator is that this is um, um, you know a feedback and security features. And the solution is also given here. We can have a security feature based on the any of the alternate solution in this regards. So there are lots of things that are there. We can have ideas, and we can have recent ideas, asking questions, and also it gives a status that says that which ideas have been completed, and it will be updated in that as well. So yeah, this is a very good page and resource just to go through that what's in the timeline, and what's in the coming things that will in the upcoming releases from Power BI, what developers are doing. And the complete roadmap is also there. But this is specific where community votes on a specific idea, and then the developers and administrators picks it up to discuss whether the idea can be implemented, or it's down the road line, road down ahead. So this is pretty much it to cover up the idea section. Thank you for watching.